Looking na yung Zerg nila, looking yung Zerg nila, looking yung Zerg nila, looking
Ayan.
yung Zerg nila. Hindi na ako, babalik na ako, babalik na
Cross
ako.
the choke south. Cross the choke, go south. Cross the choke, go south.
Careful, may 7 Tributure bomb.
Come here. Find the current, find the current, find the
Uy,
current, find the current.
patay sila, ano, Ashura.
Oo nga, no?
Yo, huwag kayong tatawin yung choke, huwag kayong tatawin yung choke, huwag kayong tatawin yung choke. We'll wait here, we'll wait here. We'll wait here,
Dismount
we'll
nyo
wait
to,
here.
i-dismount nyo
Ayun,
to.
spread.
Cleanse.
Okay, everyone, look inside tayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
East side. Dad. West side. Back muna kayo.
Sige,
Okay,
take resets, take resets.
come next. Actually, back tayo. Back tayo south. Come back south.
Pwede mo i-hug yung wall 20 dito, abuse mo yung wall.
Northwest. Cross the choke.
May GA dito. Cleansing that. Kizu.
Yung hold the choke. Huwag muna. Sila muna. Alis mo nang yung heal.
Kizu, tawid ka na kung kaya mo.
Be southwest. Actually, never mind. Come northeast side tayo.
Northeast, maluwag mo.
Northeast side tayo. Everyone come northeast side ng allies. We're looking south lang,
Kun, be ready for the cleanses, ha?
Northeast side ng third. Yo, we're in the northeast side of the choke, guys. Northeast side
Follow
of the
the
choke.
greens, not the purple. Follow the greens.
We're walking west.
May northeast.
Stop boots. Stop west.
Follow the
Ayun na. Follow the. Yo.
Huli ako.
Kamas. Kami ng macro to. Go to the area. Everyone save yourself. Go to the area. Are we good? Kaya na namatay. Makay, where are you? Have the front, have the backline. Yo, patay si Makay.
Ayun. Alas na kayo dyan. Wala na yun.
Kaya na ka Marsad. Kaya na, bobo na nga.
Nag-skill ka dun. Ay, baby.
From the allies, then
Yo, akit na kayo na, Terry. We're still good. We got TPS.
Call for the main Zerg, 20. Kung wala na silang backup.
Okay. Nice, let's walk. Tayo, baba tayo. Let's walk. Let's walk. South. Everyone look southeast. Look southeast. Southeast. Everyone look south. Everyone look south. Keep walking south. Walk south. Keep walking south. Everyone, walk south. Baba kayo ng Terry. Nasa choke na kami. Everyone, walk south. Cross the choke. Walk the choke. East side. Everyone look east side. Look east side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find the crane. Wala tayong damage. Okay, nag-defensive na ako. Baka yun ng choke. Yo, follow the crown, guys! Baba kayo south! Suhap! Lyrics! Come south! Find the crown. Okay. Lock northeast. East side. Walk lang kayo, Keep walking east side. East side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito na sa bato. Nickel. Nice, sir. Come west side. West side. Okay, sa may southeast lang kayo ng Zerg. Southeast lang kayo ng allies. Actually, come northwest lang. Tawin yun. Nasa wall tayo. Okay, walk east. Follow na isa. Careful na choke. Ano na tayo, net helmets.
Sorry.
Ay, walk east lang. Walk east. Look north, Kizo. Follow the crown, I'm here, Find the crown in your friend. Wait lang. Kalma lang tayo. North. Everyone walking north. can kill pa naman, we can kill. Okay, we're walking out, we're walking out, we're walking out. Everyone look net, everyone look net, everyone look net. It's a choke in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Stop kami, stop
dito lang
kami.
sa unan, dito lang sa unan.
Stop.
Okay, south, come south, fight, everyone fight, south, nice, observe. Okay, everyone na, look net lang kayo sa choke. Nagiging siya, Alex. Okay, everyone. Walking sa choke, walking kayo sa choke. Kasi W's. Please hold them. 5 seconds mag-engage tayo. 5 seconds. Hold in 5, 4, 3, nakaroon, north side. Wala. Everyone come net. Spread. Mag-engage sila. Wala, kasi W's Sige, keep walking, hugging the wall tayo ng east. Hug the wall east lang. Mag-engage sila, Nice one. Okay, engage na natin. South, everyone look south, everyone look. Ready, look on the choke net. Look on the choke net. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kabilang side lang. Kill that. Can't kill you. Stop shade. Back to Terry daw. Everyone south, lyrics. Actually, come net. Tawarin mo, potato. Pop your boots na, lyrics, potato.
Cooldown boots.
Pop your boots.
Cooldown.
Mount up lyrics, kaya mo?
Di pa? 5 seconds.
Back to Terry tayo. Kaya mo mount up?
3 seconds, 2 seconds, man.